Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. As you know, on Ubuntu 21.10 and 21.04, nautilus-admin has an error, and you can see this error. And I found a solution for that. So I will show you how to fix that. Before this solution, if you didn't install nautilus-admin, you can see this video and install that, and next you can do this. First, we should add this repository to our Ubuntu repositories. So I copy this and paste it terminal. Okay, enter. This command added repository to our repositories, and next we should update apt. This command, and there is 5 packages can be upgraded. I will upgrade that. Sudo apt upgrade y, and you can copy this and try it again, and it's okay. Now I will restart Nautilus. That's Ubuntu File Manager, nautilus-q. Okay, and now we can open our Nautilus. Now it's an error, so we should log out and log in again. Now you can see it's working. Okay, you can see that you can go to your root location and you can do anything you want. Copy, cut, move, rename, and other things. I hope you enjoyed my video, and bye.